Now, did you know that Indians have become one of the largest group of immigrants, leaving their home country and increasing at an increasingly high rate? About 94% more Indian students are keen to study abroad in 2021 compared to 2020. 75% students chose UK as their preferred study destination.
But भाई इतने सारे students abroad जा क्यों रहे हैं? कोई तो reason होगा that Indian students are flying in countries like UK, USA, Canada and France. चलो अब वो भी देख लेते हैं.
A new report is out by the International Labour Organization or ILO. The ILO says about 65% of the youth in India are jobless.
Yes, you heard it right. Employment, it's such a big issue in India. Whereas, if we talk about the employment rate in the UK, then according to the UK Graduate Labour Market Statistic Report, UK has a 87.3% graduate employment rate. अच्छा, अब एम्प्लॉयमेंट की बात चली रही है तो सैलरी कंपैरिजन भी देख ही लेते हैं. कैन यू गेस व्हाट इज द एवरेज सैलरी ऑफ एन MBA ग्रेड इन इंडिया? वेल, इट्स अराउंड 20 to 30 lakhs per annum. Now, you all must be thinking that it's a really good amount, and I totally agree with you all. However, the pain point here is that you'll only get such a high paying salary if you have completed your MBA from top B schools like IIM, FMS, ISB or SP Jain. यहीं अगर UK की बात करें, then the average salary after an MBA from the UK is 95,000 pounds. This is approximately 1 crore. However, not every B school in the UK offers such a salary. You have to target the right school. Now, let's compare the list of top B schools from an MBA in UK versus India. If you are really keen about doing an MBA from UK, then these schools are the best fit for you. And here's the list of top B schools for an MBA in India. अब top B schools की list को तो देख लिया, but what about the acceptance rate of these B schools? चलो वो भी compare कर लेते हैं. If we talk about the top B schools in UK like LBS, Warwick और SET Business Schools, तो इनका acceptance rate है around 7 to 8%. और यहीं Indian top B schools की बात करें like IIM, FMS, SP Jain, तो भाई इनका acceptance rate तो 0.5% से भी कम रहता है. तो अब समझ आ गया होगा ना कि किसका एडमिशन प्रोसेस ज्यादा कंपेटिटिव है. बट क्या आपको ये बताएगा कि फॉरेन टॉप बी स्कूल्स में एंटर कैसे करना है? Don't worry, just give me a second and I'll let you know. At MIMSA, we help students interested in doing MBA or any business major in UK. Click the link in the video description to book a free 20-minute strategy session with our expert. We'll guide you through choosing the right schools, crafting standout essays, SOPs, LORs, and offer personalized advice on schools, GMAT prep, and scholarships. Now, let's talk about the course duration of an MBA in the UK and India. India has an average course duration of 2 years, whereas in the UK, the average MBA course duration is 1 year, which means you can start seeing a return on your investment sooner. Also, it gives you early access to the market in comparison to 2-year counterparts. And please note, the UK offers a 2-year post-study work visa after completing an MBA. This graduate route visa lets international students stay in the UK and look for work without needing a job. Lastly, let's talk about the career prospects. See, अगर foreign exposure चाहिए, global companies like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Google, Meta, Citibank, इन सब में काम करना है तो MBA from UK is the best choice for you. And if we talk about the career prospects after doing an MBA from India, then it's fair to say that students pursuing studies in top B schools only are eligible to enter into big markets. But problem वही है, एक तो top B schools बहुत limited है, ऊपर से acceptance rate भी बहुत low है. So in conclusion, अगर आपको top B school से पढ़ाई करनी है, quality education और global exposure चाहिए, top companies में काम करना है या फिर amazing starting salaries चाहिए, तो MBA from UK is the better option for you. Now, if you are planning to study MBA in UK at top B schools, then don't forget to check our free AI-based profile evaluation tool. It will assess your strengths, weaknesses, and suggest you schools to improve your chances. The link is in the description box below. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MIMSA for more study abroad content like this.